Okay folks, we're out here in the garden today, real close to the chickens. I'm my grape arbor here, and I'd actually, a few years back, before the grape arbor got so grown, I had a birdhouse hanging here, a gourd birdhouse that I had made. Well, this year I had noticed some activity, but it wasn't birds. Wanted to share this with you. It's bumblebees. These pollinators are all over my garden. I'm not gonna say they're a bad thing to have around, but you can see. There he goes, crawling in back home. Don't know much about the bumblebee. I don't know if that's a guard bee or... I know there's several of them in here. And I see them, like I say, I see them all over my garden. So they're great to have around. Just thought it was real interesting that they moved into an old birdhouse. A gourd, of all things. Great to have around. They don't seem real aggressive. I haven't really tempted fate though. Seem to be living in like some old nest material that the birds lived in. They're pretty cool. Just thought I'd share that. Here they are, working my milkweed. So like I say, they're great pollinators. A lot of times I see them on plants I don't even see honeybees on, so I don't know if their tongue's longer or what the deal is there, but good to have around.